Alright, so this is going to be the last segment of this video. So I already did the other two bullets. It's kind of the last one right here. Honestly, I should have probably just used my GoPro 7 Black, because it's a lot easier actually, or it's a lot better camera to shoot with compared to my cell phone. Yep, it's getting pretty damn hot over here. 450C is no joke. Definitely no joke. It's iron. God damn, it's hot. Got a bit of overflow, not a big deal. Could easily just clean that up with some cutters. Oh, snap. Like I said, bit of overflow, not a big deal. Typically, I just use some cutters right here. Just cut that shit out. Yep. Pretty much, and there you go, right there.